What's up guys, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do the quest for Eruption Island on Fishing Simulator. Let's get started. So first you go over here to quests, click on I forgot what it was, yeah, obsidian cavern. You click track quest. So then you keep tracking the quest, and like you walk to the it's this dock marina thing, I don't know what it's called. So then you spawn a boat right here. It's just my normal boat, and you get into the boat. Bro, get out of the boat. Yeah, you got it. Hey bro, you know what? This kid doesn't get out of my boat. You better. So you keep getting on this boat. Chilling in my boat. Wait, what was that? Hold on, someone's catching shark. Whoa, wait, little detour. I wanna get a shark. And I'm gonna do it sooner or later. So, yeah, no, he's just swimming. I'm done. Here we go. So, getting close to the cargo ship now. It'll either tell you to get on this chain thingy or on this door that you like have to get on. So you either have to get on this chain, or sometimes you get on like that ladder for a door. Right now we're doing the chain. Get on this. Get on this chain. You can even get on it. So you get on the chain. Bruh. When I get on the chain, you open this up. Skip the cutscene. So all you gotta do is just get into this hole. Jump down from the chain. And you finish this obby, which I will do because I am literally a pro. Oh yeah. Cooking, obby cooking. Okay, comments say I'm an obby pro. Give me motivation, please. No. Yes, I'm a pro. I told you. Okay. Let's go. This is so good. So you get out of this yellow thing. Go again through here. Whoa. You kind of forgot the way through this. Oh yeah, no. So you go through this wooden thing. Keep going. Another yellow one. Okay, onto this green thing or whatever. Do this obby. Okay. So you get up here. Then you just gotta get through that door. Open up that door. Unlock the vault. Just get the cutscene. And then you just open up through here. Go inside the vault. Yoink this piece of ice. Nice ice, you know. Ice, yeah, ice. W ice. Then you just go. Oh no, there's a vent side. Yeah, I'm so goofy. Don't spam Goofy. Don't spam Goofy in the comments. Open that up. Get back on my boat. Fill up the ice machine on the over there. Yep. Yeah, you just get on here. What up? I'm gonna catch a fish. Yeah, this is actually the fish. No way, I just caught a red fish on my first try. This is easy. So then we just climb up this thing. Here you go. Pro? Pro? Nice. I'm a pro. Then all you do is just deposit the ice, and you have completed the cutscene. That's it for today. See you later on the next video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.